Welcome to American AVK, where we manufacture the best valves and hydrants under earth. Our state-of-the-art 180,000 square foot manufacturing facility is located in Minden, Nevada, and houses all of the operations to produce our high-quality valves and hydrants. And it all starts with a request from a valued customer like you. Once your order is placed, digital instructions are sent to an interconnected network of manufacturing machines on the production floor. Our team pulls all of the parts needed for your order and delivers them to the various departments for pre-production. Our machining department handles all customized milling, and our coating department ensures that parts are prepped for our fusion bonded epoxy coating process. Once all the pre-production work is completed, the parts are transferred to the appropriate manufacturing areas. Each manufacturing line follows detailed instructions based on your order requirements. After completion, each product is thoroughly tested to ensure compliance with industry standards and to guarantee reliability in the field. In less than 10 days, your custom order is ready to ship. In addition, American AVK has established distribution centers in Omaha, Nebraska and Nashville, Tennessee. These warehouses allow us to provide faster delivery to our customers throughout North America. Ready to learn more? Contact your local sales rep to learn more about our products. And let us show you how AVK can help you on your next project.